Hello everyone and welcome. This is Brett from Boss Life Beauty, and today we're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to talk about Grove Collaborative, my favorite new online store. And today I'm going to introduce you to this amazing website called grove.com, which is the Grove Collaborative. It is a really neat place on the web where you can get amazing, healthy, organic, and all natural beauty products and products for your personal care. And we're going to talk today about their products for your home. So come join me and I'm going to tell you everything there is to know about this amazing online store for healthy living. So we're talking today about Grove Collaborative. I'm going to show you how today you can get 5 free products just by joining the Grove Collaborative, and it's really reasonable and their prices are great. I'm a member, I love it, and I want to tell you all about it. So basically how the Grove Collaborative works is you pay $19 a year, which is so reasonable, and then you order some products and you're going to get your 5 free products by joining, and we're going to be able to have them delivered to you in your home, just like Amazon or Walmart or Chewy. If you buy that's where I buy my pet products. And the great thing is their prices are a lot less than Target or Walmart or Amazon Prime. And if you notice, if any of you shop on Amazon Prime, their prices are often a little bit higher because a lot of their merchandise is fueled by FBA sellers, which is fulfillment by Amazon. And so they know they can get those higher prices. And the great thing about this Grove Collaborative is they really care about their customers, and you're going to get great products at a great price delivered when you want them. If you want them delivered once a month, if you want to have a few things delivered 1 month, and then have a few other things delivered 6 weeks out, and maybe you just want to go in and order as you go, that's fine. It's only $19 to join, and I just cannot say enough things about it. So let me share with you what I got. The Grove Collaborative is always changing up their specials, so when I ordered my products, I actually paid $29, and I got a whole bunch of products that I'm going to share with you now. And the special that they're running now is that you join the Collaborative for $19 and you get 5 really great products. You get 5 Myers cleansing products full size, and then you get some cleansing cloths that go with it as a bonus. So it's a really nice gift. I'm going to talk to you more about these products in just a moment. When I got the order, it came with this adorable little card that says healthy beautiful home, and it has this great little paragraph in here that says, I'm thrilled to introduce myself. Here's your dedicated Grove guide. I'm here to ensure you have an amazing Grove experience. Please reach out to me via email or text. You can text them if you have any problem. They guarantee 100% happiness. But I love this little card. It goes a long way in gaining customer loyalty. And the girl who started it, her name is Annie, and she lives in the Soma area of San Francisco. And when she's not helping her awesome customers, she can be found cooking, hiking, or reading. So I love that. And I'm going to share with you what I got in just a moment. To get in the mood, to get into my hippie natural mood today, I'm going to take my incense, and these are India Temple incense. I got these here in Chicago. This is so lovely. I'm going to take my wooden matches. Oh, and I'm going to light my incense. I love making my beauty experiences creative, as you can tell. I take this and put it on my incense stick, and I'm going to stick it right here. So as I smell this beautiful incense, it's going to get me more in the mood for my all-natural 1960s, 70s hippie vibe with the all-natural products. So the first thing that I got, now this was all for $29, mind you, so I am so impressed. I got a pack of ultra absorbent paper towels, with bamboo and sugar cane. These feel great. They're supposedly ultra absorbent. I'm excited to try these. I got some Method antibacterial bathroom spray, which I love. I have purchased this before at Target and on Grove.com. On Grove.com, it is less expensive. I'm so excited, but it costs way less than it did at Target. I can't believe this was all for $29. The Method antibacterial toilet cleaner. Now, the only other cleaner I use on my toilets is bleach. And this smells like peppermint, which I'm gonna love, because if you saw my last video, and you know I love all that eucalyptus and clove oil and sea breeze and Noxzema, so I'm really excited to try that. I got a box of sustainable bamboo and sugar cane tissues, and I love the box. It's just very clean and neat and modern and very all natural. Even the box is biodegradable, which I would expect from a company that promotes these products. Okay, and then I love the way they use this tape to make sure these don't leak in transit. I got Meyer's Lemon Verbena dishwashing soap, and even though I have a dishwasher, I have these beautiful Califon pots that have to be hand washed. And so I do need dishwashing soap, and if you've ever smelled this, it's incredible. The first time I ever tried Meyer's was when I was at my brother's in Nashville. He used to buy it, and I had never heard of it. And I had purchased Caldrea before, but I never knew and made the connection that they were one company. Another thing I got, I cannot believe the price for all this stuff. I got this Meyer's Multi-Surface Everyday Spray, and this was part of the gift. So the gift included these 3 Meyer products. I got the lavender hand soap, which I love and I've purchased before. This is like totally going in my bathroom right after this. Okay, then there's the Method laundry detergent, which I'm really excited to try because I've wanted to switch over to laundry detergent that's all natural, because it's our clothes touch our skin. Right now I'm using Persil, and I have to say I love it. It gets everything out, but I'd be willing to give this a try. And this would be great when I'm cleaning the fur on my little teddy bears that I sell on eBay. Giving Works. I got this hand sanitizing gel, and it's called Blood Orange. Now, as a flight attendant, I carry hand sanitizer with me everywhere, and because I have an autoimmune illness and I'm on autoimmune suppressing drugs, my car has a big thing of hand sanitizer, but this smells way better than the alcohol scented one in my car. This is Blood Orange, and it smells amazing. I love it. This fits perfectly in my apron pocket for work, so I'm so excited, and if I like it, I'll buy a bunch more to carry with me. And then this one, which is a bestseller for them, the Cedar and Sage Bar Soap. Look at that pretty packaging. Is that awesome? I love that. It's pretty, right? And this smells wonderful. It smells like cedar, just like it says, cedar and sage. It kind of has that, I want to say, it does kind of smell hippie, like that. It's not patchouli, but it has that same kind of earthy, but yet herby smell. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I could see why that would be a bestseller for them. Gave me this cute little Grove tote. So what you got, the 5 free things that I got were the Grove tin, which I love, the Meyer's dish soap, the Meyer's hand soap, and the Method. And this was your gift. So these are 5 free gifts, and these walnut cellulose scrubber sponges, and these are biodegradable, and these are a bestseller on their website, so that won't scratch porcelain. So then when I was about to check out, they asked me if I wanted to buy this glass spray bottle, which I did, and it came in this really cool container, and I took it out and put it together to show you. Here it is. I love it with the silicone sleeve. This was $12.95 upsell. So everything that I'm showing you came to $29. Everything, even with this included. And then they gave me the cleaning essentials kit and orange rosemary, which goes with this. And I'm gonna show you how this works. It's a tube, there's 3 in a pack, and you pour 1 tube in here and you fill it with water, and then you have a countertop spray. And what I love about this is the Grove, you can see their name is here on the silicone sleeve, and this is really inexpensive. So what you could do is, If you didn't want to buy the Myers, you could just buy a couple glass bottles in this solution that's really concentrated, and you can just have a whole bunch of cleaning solution without taking up a lot of space. And I live in an apartment, and this works really well for me too, rather than having a bunch of spray bottles all around. I am absolutely really diligent about cleaning the counters in my kitchen, probably because I read a lot and I know a lot about all the different germs and bacteria that can cause foodborne illness. And plus I work on an airplane, and we're really taught and we understand the importance of having everything sanitized. Airplanes are really dirty, and when I work in the galley, flight attendants have to be really diligent about keeping everything sanitary and everything, our hands clean. And the thing that I don't like about bleach is the smell of bleach. I mean, you want to go on a diet quick, clean your kitchen countertops with bleach before you make something to eat in your kitchen, and I'm going to tell you, you're all of a sudden going to maybe not be too hungry. So for example, if I'm making soup and I'm cutting up chicken, I don't want to wait until that bleach smell goes away. I just want to get out of the kitchen because it burns your eyes and it smells. So I love the Myers countertop spray because I feel like I can clean my counters and they're sanitary, but yet they're not giving me that awful smell of bleach. Now, every once in a while, do you need to maybe bleach your countertops? Yeah, probably. But it just, all in all, in general, I prefer a softer approach. Now, as far as beauty products and makeup, the site grove.com has tons of beauty products. I ordered the cotton balls because I love genuine organic cotton balls. I ordered the genuine organic cotton Q-tips, and they have them on the wooden sticks, which I love. They have all natural toothbrushes. They have Tom's of Maine. They have Burt's Bees, and I love this lip gloss. I always get this from Burt's Bees. And I actually didn't order this one there. I actually have this one, but I would order it from there since I'm a member now. And so they do have a lot of other products. They have Hawaiian ginger and the whole Hawaiian line of products. And I forget the name of I have this conditioner in my bathroom too, and I forget the name of it. But so they have a lot of products that I was really impressed with. And what I was most impressed with is that they have their own line of products, which are just under the Grove name, and they're all really awesome. So I'm really happy to be trying these, and I'll be interested in ordering and trying more. I'm doing this just because I really love this website and I'm sharing with you these products. I'm not getting paid for this endorsement or anything like that. I am, however, going to put a link below for you to get your 5 free products. They gave me a link because I'm a member of where I can send people to get 5 free products, and then obviously I'll get a percentage off my next order, but that's not why I'm doing this video. I absolutely believe in all natural household care products. I believe in natural beauty products too, because we put that on our skin, but I actually spend more time in my home cleaning and things like that than I do wearing tons of makeup and tons of beauty products. So, and we are washing our face all the time and taking things off. Now, just as a quick little all-natural 1970s beauty throwback, I do want to tell you that for any of those of you who get this Vermont Store catalog, and you can go to vermontstore.com, I was floored when I came across this, looking at this the other day. They have the original terracotta Indian earth. When I went on, I was so excited, and I read the reviews, and it's the same exact product on the inside, but the little pot is a little different. The old one was a lot bigger and there was a lot more in it, and one woman who had ordered it said that the puff that it comes with is really nice and thick, and it's cotton. But if you remember, and I know I do, the original Indian earth had a wool ball. It was a little wool ball because wool is, it has natural oils and it spread the product. But I so would love to get this and do a makeover with Indian earth. How fun would that be? So I just wanted to share with you the Indian earth, because along with natural beauty and natural products that I have to laugh, and on the same vein of retro beauty, I have to show you this pattern. They are redistributing to new sewers, and I have to share this with you because how many of you remember wearing this pattern? Is Simplicity 8073. 1970s vintage. Look at this. I mean, my mom sewed when I was young, and she made me a romper dress just like this. Do you remember how easy they were to wear? You'd put it over your neck, and then it would have the back that you would wrap around, and it would like layer. And look at this, you can make an apron. But what I love even more is they used to wear them with the jeans. Like it was like the tunic of its day. And then of course this is the long pretty dress, and I'm loving this one. But this is the original picture that was on the pattern, and then this is the new one. But how fun. I'm like, I've got to make this, because honestly, even if I didn't wear this as a dress now, although you could, because you could make it, you know, like I love the knee length and I love the A-line style. It's very flattering to my body type. But I think it's so funny because you could put a little sweat over it. But I think it would make a great apron. You know, if you made it in linen and you just were in the kitchen cooking or cleaning and you just want to throw something over your outfit so that it keeps neat all day. I absolutely love it. So let's see where my incense are. Halfway down. All right, so I'm gonna leave that burning. I'm gonna say goodbye and thank you all for tuning in. On Wednesday, I did a quick get ready with me. I was on my way to work and I show you how I do my hair to get my beachy waves, and I did a little purple eyeshadow. So that's just a little midweek video that I thought I would pop in there. It's not very long. I hope you enjoy it. If you love this video, please share it with a friend, subscribe. I put up new videos every week. I put up my videos every Sunday, and then sometimes during the middle of the week I pop another one in there just for fun when I can. So thank you so much. I love you all. Leave some comments below. Share with me some of your 70s stories, some of your natural beauty stories. Maybe share with me your Indian Earth stories and how you feel about all natural cleaning products. Some people don't think they're necessary. Other people really love them. I so appreciate you spending this time with me, and I'll talk to you soon.